Hey guys, what is going on? Pneumatics here, back with another 944 video. I know it's been a while since I've made a video on the 944. It's just been really cold outside and I haven't really been able to get a lot done on the car, unfortunately. Like today when I was making this video, it was a whole 9 degrees outside. But here's some updates on the car. I have the interior stripped out completely, but I am at kind of a stopping point because I've ran into some structural issues. If you remember, here's my battery tray that's pretty rusty and has some holes in it, as you can see there. They're a major part of the issue, and as you can see, there's a giant hole right there. And I actually found out that a hole goes straight through to the wheel well, which I was really hoping it didn't, but unfortunately it did, and it has caused some compound issues due to those two holes right there. Now on the early 944s like this, the battery tray right here is actually on top of the air conditioning box. I'll take you around here real quick to see that. Now, the problem was water was actually getting into that rusty hole and onto this air conditioning box here and has rusted out the blower fan. I'm going to try to get a better angle for you here. But as you can see, it's all rusted out there. And I haven't been able to get this AC box actually out of the car because, as you can see, you have the two, what do you call them? The pressure lines for the AC where the Freon's at. The Freon's already completely gone out of the lines and everything, but it has just been too cold and I don't have the right tools to remove that. And also, as you can see here, the previous owner got the smart idea to drill a bunch of holes in the floor pan because water was sitting inside the interior from water coming into the battery tray, and it's just been a huge headache. Going around to the driver's side here, I also noticed that someone has removed two fuses on the upper fuse block there, and they're both for the air conditioning. So my guess is that there's definitely something wrong with the AC system, and that's why they've removed the two fuses. So I'm gonna have to get all these holes fixed. I got a guy that's gonna fix the battery tray and all the holes, and then I'm gonna have to figure out what's wrong with the AC before I can move forward and get the interior all put together. And I also have to get these seat rails fixed here. I should say the frame rails for the seat rails. He's gonna also be doing those as well because those are pretty tore up and this one's pretty rusty. You can see right through it. But I think that's it. It's been a real headache, but it'll be worth it in the end. Hope you guys enjoyed. Peace.